everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pinkbucker Designs, and I've got a Painted Seasons card for you. The Painted Seasons stamp set is actually a bundle in the second release of Celebration from Stampin' Up. You can see here's the beautiful Designer Series paper that goes with it. There are 4 double-sided designs, and you get 3 of each, as well as a stamp set. And the only way you can get these is getting them for free with a $100 order between February 15th and March 31st, 2019. So today I'm going to make this card, and I might as well show you the others that I've done with the same paper and stamps. Isn't that beautiful, those succulents? And then this card, this floral, just gorgeous florals. And here's my favorite, the mushroom paper with a little hedgehog from the Hedgehog set, and a little sneak peek of a stamp set coming out in March too. So we're going to stick with the pine cone today, and I also want to show you there's something coming out on March 1st to go with this. This is the Painted Season Framelits. Now they won't be available until March 1st, so if you're watching this before March 1st, just know it's coming, okay? Okay, let's do our stamping. I'm also going to use this stamp set called Strong and Beautiful. It's in the 2019 Occasions catalog. It is a great sentiment set, and since this one doesn't have any sentiments, you'll need to pull in some other sets. This is a really, really good one to have. All right, so let's do our stamping. We're going to need Call Me Clover and Lemon Lime Twist. Those are the colors in the paper. You can look in the catalog to find out exactly what colors they are. It also will say on the backing of your paper pack when you get it, if you want to make sure your colors match perfectly. Then I'm going to do Soft Suede with my pine cone, and I'm going to do it once on Crumb Cake, and then I'm going to do it over here like this, and again like that. So I have 2, one dark and one light on my stitched Whisper White oval. And while we have the ink out, let's go ahead and do our sentiment. You have what it takes to be unstoppable, and I couldn't be more proud. That's a wonderful sentiment. I immediately think of my daughters and reasons why I would give them a card using that beautiful sentiment. All right, so let's bring over our magnetic platform, and we're going to pull in these awesome framelits. All right, so let's see our pine cone right there. And if you're using your magnetic platform, it will hold it exactly where it needs to be. Sometimes the framelits will jump around. That just means your magnets have turned somehow inside. So just follow the magnet wherever it wants to go, wherever it wants the framelit, and just move your cardstock there. And that will be much easier than trying to fight that framelit and trying to get it to go where you want it to go. All right, let's get it all out. Move this big guy out of here. And we've got our 2 little foliage pieces and our beautiful pine cone. And we're going to layer these up. I'm going to use glue dots first. Let's see, I think I'll put this one towards the back and this one a little bit over like that. And then I'm going to take my pine cone and just put it right there, but we definitely want to pop that up with a Stampin' Dimensional. All right, like that. Very, very nice. Okay, now we just need to put our card together. I am using an Early Espresso card base. I've got a piece of the Designer Series paper, and did you look on the back? I didn't even point that out. The back of the Pine Cone Designer Series paper is Pool Party, and the back of the mushroom paper is this beautiful Poppy Parade piece. So I'm going to do that first. I am going to put down this Poppy Parade piece over here. Actually, you know what? We're going to put this one down first. This is a Early Espresso strip that I have cut with a Be Mine stitched framelits. Some of my very favorite framelits. It's a little bit longer. That's all right. We'll trim it off. Then we'll put this here. And let's snip those pieces off. Make it exactly even with our Designer Series paper. Now I have pulled in some kind of rustic trim that I think is a great match. This is the braided linen trim. I'm going to do something to hold it in place, but then I'm going to just tape it along the back. This trim is from the holiday catalog that we had this past holiday season. There we go. I'm going to put a glue dot there. But it's carrying over, so we still have it. It's on the, you won't find it in the current catalogs, but you will find it on the online store. All right, so I'm just putting 2 little glue dots to hold that in place like that. But then I'm going to flip it over and just take some Scotch tape and put that, just tape it over so it wraps around. No one will ever see it. There we go. Now we're going to adhere that down to our card base like that. And then this guy, of course, needs dimensionals, just like that. There we go. And I couldn't leave it. I had to add a bow. So I'm going to take that linen trim and make a nice little bow to go right under there. Now, because this is a dark card base, you're going to want to put in a Whisper White liner. That's what we call it, a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of Whisper White right in here so that you can write your message. All right, there you go. Now remember the Painted Seasons bundle. Let's look at all the cards together with all this beautiful paper and the matching stamps. This is only available between February 15th and March 31st. And you can only get it for free with a $100 order. You get both of them together as a bundle. And the framelits that we use will be available on March 1st, only until March 31st. All right, you guys, let me know if you have questions. Hop over to my blog and grab the PDF from the Facebook Friday that I did. I'm showing all 3 of the brand new Celebration second release products. And you can print this off. It has all the measurements and products that I used. All right, everybody, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.